Here I've got ALCATEL 1X from 2019, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then click on the more icon, which is usually 3 dots one. Now as it's for update, it's the red circle. Just click here and then select history. Then click on clear browsing data. And here you've got some basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies, media licenses and site data, and also cache images and files. And then under advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. And if you would like to remove them all, just leave them all marked, but if you'd like to, for example, stay with your saved passwords, smoothly unmark it. But I would like to delete everything, and then just select the time range. So let's pick the preferred time, and I would like to remove data from all time, and click on clear data to finish the whole operation. Finally select clear, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Tap on OK, got it. And from now on there's no history here, you can create it from scratch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.